Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to give your WordPress website a fresh new look without losing your content, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to change your WordPress theme safely, step by step, so your posts, pages, and images stay right where they belong. Let's get started. First, here's something really important to know. When you change your WordPress theme, it only affects your site's design and layout, not your actual content. Your posts, pages, and media files are all stored in your WordPress database, so they're completely safe. However, certain theme-specific settings or widgets might not carry over, so we'll take a few smart precautions before switching. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Appearance, then Themes. This is where all your installed themes live. If the theme you want is already installed, you'll see it here. If not, click Add New at the top of the page. Here you can explore thousands of free themes from the WordPress repository or upload a premium theme you've purchased elsewhere. You can use a free plugin like Updraft Plus or all-in-one WP migration. Just install your preferred plugin, follow the steps to back up both your files and your database, and save that backup somewhere safe, like your computer or a cloud folder. Once your backup is ready, it's time to preview your new theme. In the Themes section, hover over the theme you want and click Live Preview. This will open a test view of your website with the new design applied. Take a close look. Scroll through your pages and posts, check your menus, and make sure everything looks right. If you're happy with how it appears, go ahead and activate the theme. After activating, visit the front end of your site to see the changes in action. You might notice a few things out of place. Maybe a widget is missing, or your menu doesn't look quite right. Don't worry, that's totally normal. To fix your widgets, go to Appearance Arrow Widgets. Here you'll see all the available widget areas for your new theme. You can drag and drop your widgets into the correct spots or recreate any that were specific to your old theme. If your old theme had custom settings like specific colors, fonts, or header images, you can reconfigure those by going to Appearance Arrow Customize. This opens the theme customizer where you can tweak the look and feel to match your brand perfectly. Take your time here. Explore the options and make your site look exactly the way you want. Once everything looks great, it's time to test. Visit different pages, check your site on a phone and a tablet, and make sure all the links and features work as expected. Changing your WordPress theme can completely transform your website's appearance and even boost functionality. Well, by following these simple steps, you can make the switch smoothly without losing a single piece of content. If you're looking for beautiful and customizable themes, I recommend checking out Elegant Themes. They offer a huge variety of premium options to make your site stand out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.